It's a sad day for our democracy because the United States Supreme Court, using all of its powers or minimizing its own powers, is allowing SB 4 to be enacted in Texas, thereby allowing other rogue states like Texas to pass patchwork immigration enforcement bills in their own states. We already saw SB 1070 in Arizona was struck down as unconstitutional. This bill is much worse than SB 1070 from Arizona in 2012. And we believe this is also an attack on American citizens of color by allowing this awesome authority by the states in its law enforcement to make spot checks on if somebody is in this country with documents or not, because this bill does not just apply for those counties along the border. There are 250 some odd counties in the state of Texas. And so any law enforcement agency has this awesome authority to make a spot determination without any federal training to determine if somebody's in the country illegally. There's no argument for many of us in the Democratic Party from Texas or across the country that doesn't acknowledge that we need to address some issues along the border. We need to address those issues. President Biden and the administration worked in a bipartisan way with Senator Lankford to strike a deal on border security. That was sabotaged by former President Trump and his cronies in Congress. What we don't want is persons of color to be targeted for no other reason than the color of their skin. And what we don't want to see is mistakes to happen, and good-intentioned law enforcement officers to have this awesome authority when they have no training. I think they would acknowledge they probably do not want to have this type of authority because it puts them in a difficult position.